I am Dr. Shamaz Mohamed. I am a preventive dentist and a public health dentist at the same time. I have a master's as well as a certificate course in evidence-based medicine. I work at Ilia Dental Care. It's located in 8 Main, Wilson Garden, Bangalore. Regular dental visits are very important for the patients. They help the dentist diagnose the diseases at the earliest stage and prevent them from further progressing, which damages the tooth structure as well as the adjacent oral tissues. In order to save the teeth getting extensively damaged and beyond repair, we require them to be diagnosed at the earliest stage. Some patients do ask us what to do if we do not have any signs and symptoms. That is, we don't have any disease at all. Do we still need to visit a dentist? Yes, we need to visit the dentist so that the diseases, if any, which are not easily diagnosed by the patient, can be diagnosed at a clinic using sophisticated instruments. So we recommend that every patient do visit regularly to the dentist so that the diseases are caught at the earlier stages and treated with minimal cost as well as expenditure.